All right. So super welcome in this session. People who didn't complete the assignment, let's be honest. There's no punishment for that. Be honest and type in me if you're yet to complete the assignment. Just type in me, guys. Let's be honest. I'm here to help you genuinely. You need to be honest and you need to follow the integrity. All right. Just type in me if there's someone who didn't complete. Praveen Nahar, please complete it by tonight. Please, it's a request. And I'm telling you, every single assignment is like a follow up. If you try to jump into the like module two, the training two of day one tomorrow, day two, you'll miss out a hell lot of things. All right. Shubham, thank you so much for the honesty. And please ensure you complete it by tonight. It's a request. Please, I'm telling you, every single assignment is designated in a way to help you, to push you, to move you in the journey of creating more and more leads and creating more and more sales. The problem with the people today is they don't try to focus on the fundamental. Even this, I can see it in most of the offers. People are like trying to do hardcore sales. It doesn't happen. Let me ask you one simple question and you all will give me the answer. How many of you don't like when people try to be salesy with you, when they try to push you with sales? Give me a yes if you don't like when people try to push you with sales. Buy this, you'll miss this, you'll miss that. How many of you really don't like that? Just type in yes. Yes, I don't like when people try to push a lot. Just give me a yes. Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely. Now, think it from the shoes of your prospect. Is he going to like it when you try to push him with your sales? Absolutely no. So basically, the whole idea of this challenge is you need to create some hook. So why am I saying this? Because over like past few, I have realized your hook has to be awesome. The reason is plain and simple. Now let me ask you one more question. What is that one thing you purchased in the last 6 months, maybe before the COVID or maybe before the crisis? Just comment in the chat area. What was that one thing you purchased in the last 6 months or maybe 1 year? Can be a laptop, can be a smartphone. Don't tell me groceries, huh? Your daily essentials and everything. Give me the name. What did you actually purchase? Maybe a mobile phone, maybe a laptop, maybe an Almira, maybe a home, whatever it was. In the last 1 year, smartphone. Most of the people saying smartphone. All right. Just type in, guys, smartphone. I want all of you to type in. It cannot be like you didn't purchase anything in the last year. It's impossible. We do. New TV, absolutely. 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 Laptop, phone, and two-wheeler. Absolutely. Oh, too many things, Rajiv. Thank you. Thank you so much for sharing this. Thank you so much. All right. Guys, keep your water and everything like beside you so that you keep yourself hydrated. Smartphone. I see a lot of people purchase phones. I want all of you to participate. That's the only rule in the house. You have to participate because if you don't participate, I get an indication you guys are not an action taker. Thank you so much, Ashish. Mobile, laptop, Preeti, smartphone, Rushabh, laptop. All right. Now let me ask you one thing. You had an option. You could have like bought it from anyone. Why did you chose that specific person or a store or the place or the platform? What was that one reason? I want all of you to answer. Why did you buy maybe from that one particular store or maybe you just bought it from Flipkart and you didn't purchase it from Amazon? Maybe, all right. Past experience, all right. Thank you. Receipt man. I'll talk about you when I talk about the offers you created today. Convenience, know the person, faith, trust from reviews, convenience, authentic, authentic or low price, market research, get reference, all right, all right, all right. So you might have your own reason, but try and understand one valid important point I'm trying to put before all of you. You need to understand the buying psychology. We always try to sell our goods through the sales psychology. You need to understand the buying psychology. All right. After sales service. All right. All right. Now try and understand this. Try and understand this. People buy from someone who can who can offer you something great, or it has to be irresistible, so that you feel guilty. If you don't buy from them, you feel guilty. How many of you really feel guilty? Just type in guilty that you got an awesome offer, and if you don't buy from that particular guy or from that website, you will feel guilty. You feel bad. You feel like you will miss it. You'll miss the offer. How many of you have actually felt that? That I don't want to miss this offer. Just type in guilty. Just type in guilty, guys. And that's where the essence lies. That's where the essence lies. Yeah, maybe sometimes it's absolutely fine. It's absolutely fine. Now, creating great offer is all about building the data. This 5-day Rajiv Tandon never, absolutely fine, Rajiv. We don't have to agree on everything. That's fine. Now, let me tell you something very, very categorically. Let us try and understand. People always try to work on their sales, but try and understand the mindset of a buyer. They don't like people who push us into like sales, who are pushy or salesy. Like, so all you need to do is create an offer so that if they even think of missing that offer, they will have that guilt inside them. They'll have that guilt. And that is possible only if you can use right words. How many of you really realize that words are actually very powerful? The words that you choose, the words that you speak, the words that you write can actually change your game. Just type in yes if you agree to this. So that words are like super, super powerful. In this challenge, we're going to talk about this a lot, a lot, a lot. And I'm telling you, if you do all the assignments religiously, by the end of 5 days, you'll walk out like a version 2.0, version 2 of you. It's a promise. All right. Now, yes, I'll review a lot of offers today. I'll review a lot of offers today. Now, I also, people who have like checked my video, I told you like it's very important you build your own database. Why it is so important? Because I explained. Don't try to build a home on a rented land. All right. It's important you build your own database. How many of you are already working on this principle even before you join this challenge? Just write me, or you can write never if you've never focused on this building a database. Just type in me if you are already doing it, or you can just type in never if you have never thought about this. All right. So a lot of me, a lot of me, a lot of me. All right. Now, most of you must have got, we are taught that in insurance. Thank you so much for sharing, Preeti. Now, what I'm trying to do in this challenge is I'll try to take you like one step ahead. You always have this data of people who buy from you. How about getting data from your prospect? Now, the problem with this is when you try to, I have 5,000 plus customers contacts on my phone. All right, Praveen. How many of you have noticed in the video I have told like two possible things that you can do when you run your ads? You can run ads for like custom audience and lookalike audience. How many of you really found that magical? Just type in magic. And if you didn't understand that, just type in no, I didn't understand. Just type in magic, or if you understood the point that I was trying to prove when I said the custom audience and the lookalike audience. Not able to get exact point, never tried. No, all right. All right. Now, the problem is when you try to move, when you try to scale your business, suppose you have 5,000 customers today, and tomorrow if you want to have like 10,000, 50,000, or maybe 1 lakh customers, it's possible. If you really want to grow 10x, 5x, now you have to come and do a lot of ads and advertisements. Now, the problem is when you try to run ads on Facebook or Google, you have to tell Facebook, you have to tell Google what kind of audience you're looking for. And when you already have a data, when you already have a bias persona with you, you can use the same data to trigger the algorithm, the machine, and tell Facebook and Google, I'm looking for an audience like this. How cool would that be? You tell Facebook, I'm looking for a prospect like this. Don't show my ad to cold people and to anyone you want. Show it to the people who are my ideal buyers. Just type in cool if this point is clear. And this is possible whenever you try to run paid advertisement and promotion. And that will give you more ROI. That will give you more ROI. Just type in cool if this point is clear, guys. All right. Thank you so much. Now let me review some offers today. Let me just share my screen. And I want all of you to be ready with a paper and a pen. Type in paper, pen, or just type in PP if you guys are ready with your paper and pen. Paper, pen. Just type in PP if you all are ready with your paper and pen. Now I'll give you one golden tip, which is like for me a mantra, which I always reiterate to my mind every single day. Do you want to know this mantra that can really, really improve the way you create offers, improve the way you talk to your prospect, improve the way you take presentation, improve the way you do coaching, training, whatever you do? Give me a yes if you want this mantra and the formula. Give me a yes if you want this mantra and the formula. Only 3 of you, 4 of you? What about others? All right. So the formula is plain and simple, and I want all of you to write this in the comment area once I share it with you people. All right. Listen to this very, very carefully. Writing is the doing part of thinking. I want all of you to write this in the comment area. Writing is the doing part of thinking. Problem with most of the people in this world is they think a lot, and everything is gone like after a few minutes and few hours. All right. Get into the habit of writing. Keep a piece of notepad with you. Just write whatever comes to your mind. Maybe the objection, maybe the problem, whatever comes to your mind every single day. Just I want all of you to write this, because this is like a golden nugget. I'm telling you. If you get into the habit of writing whatever comes to your mind related to your product, your services, your business, every freaking day, you guys will grow by leaps and bounds. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Just practice this for 30 days and you can see the difference in you. You'll get much clarity in like 30 days flat. Writing is the doing part of thinking. Absolutely. All right. How many of you are really finding this powerful? This statement is really, really powerful. All right. So the best way to improve, like someone was there in the WhatsApp group, he said I'm not good with this because I've never tried. All I said to him is, even I am not perfect. Don't expect that I am perfect. I can give you like best of the best offers in any niche. Now I'm telling you very, let me turn on my video and with my eyes staring at all of you. I want all of you to turn on the videos for like just 30 seconds maybe. Just turn on your videos. Do this, guys. Come on. I do this quite often. I'm telling you this by looking into your eyes that yes, no guru, no master in the world can be best in all the niche and all the business in the world. How many of you really agree to this? Type in agree. If someone is saying that, he's fooling you. Just type in agree if you really agree to this. Just type in agree. No master, no guru can be like best in all the niche, in all the business possible in the world. It's not possible. I'm telling you, staring in your eyes. I'm so confident about this. It's like one of the doctrine I always believe in. All right. No guru can be master of all the business. So the formula is, all right, you can turn off your videos now. Thank you for this. Thank you for this. I do this frequently so that we can kill the distance and everything. The idea is plain and simple. It's all about becoming better and better every single day. All right. Just type in this word, better. Don't try to become best overnight. It never happens. It will never happen. Just try to become better and better. Just try to take your story, take your journey one step ahead every single day. That's the formula. That's the formula. All right. Let me just review some of the offers. All right. And I want all of you to take notes because when I review the offers of others, you will get a lot of pointers. So if you can see my screen, how many of you can really see my screen? Give me a yes. Just type in yes. I'll share some of my perspectives into it. I want all of you to take a note. It's not about when I review your offer, then only you will take notes, because sometimes when you listen to others, you get a lot of ideas in your own mind. Because the framework of a brain is made in a way, it can trigger you hell lot of ideas if only you're open to it. And that's why I believe at times it's not important to learn things. At times it is important to unlearn things. All right. Now let me check out some of the offers. Let me check out some of the offers. And I want all of you to take a peek into it. All right. So Navneet Rathi, this was something else. It was not his offer. Ashish, Ashish is a very dear friend and kind of a brother to me. We belong to the same community and tribe. Thank you so much for being a part of this, Ashish Juneja. Now, his offer is learn how to launch your digital school and generate sales in 5 days, even without knowledge of digital marketing through independent IEBM method. Now, I really like this concept when people use a terminology like this IEBM method. What is this? So people, the prospect, when they read this, they will get a fair idea that he might have a formula. He's having a technology through which he can help. All right. So what is he trying to create? He's trying to create a hook so that the prospect will ask him, what is this IEBM technology? It's a very awesome strategy. I have seen a lot of you have used it. I'll talk about this. And so the only thing that I suggested, Ashish ji, that was my suggestion, and I'll ask Ashish ji to open up if he's there in the session. Instead of saying words like learn how to, it's like you are telling people you may learn, you might not learn. Why not just start with something like launch your digital school? Why to say learn? Some people might be lazy people will at least think that maybe I'll not be able to do this because I have to learn things. So don't start your offer like this. It's all about making them visualize. So say something like launch your digital school or maybe a campus and generate instead of sales. How many of you really feel that profit is more awesome than sales? If I talk about profit more than the sales, how many of you would be really happy? Just say happy. Let us have an opinion poll on this. So as an entrepreneur, if you're targeting entrepreneurs, if you can use profitability more than the sales, it's going to be really a great hook. It's going to be a great hook. Ashish ji, if you're there, you can unmute yourself and share your feeling.
Yes, Jaspalji, that's really amazing. And I got the bulb on moment. I really got the bulb on moment, I would personally say. The point is, when you said, yes, remove the word learn, I started thinking, oh, he's right. I think many of the people are not looking at learning. They've already learned so many things. They don't want learning. They want results. So immediately, if I remove the word learn, it's actually reducing the space. It's reducing the characters, as well as it is reducing the image in the mind and expanding the result in the mind of the client.
Absolutely. Thank you
Great
so much,
point.
Ashish ji. Thank you so much. He's like a brother to me and a great guy. All
I
right.
love you.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Ashish ji. Thank you so much. So you should always try to create an offer through which you should not talk about the features of your product. You should always talk about the outcome. What is he going to get? All right. All right. So how many of you really appreciate that Ashish ji has done a great job with his offer? Just type in GBA. That means God bless Ashish. Just type in GBA. Come on, guys. I want all of you to bless Ashish. I want all of you to do this. Come on. Just type in GBA. The more you give, the more you receive. Plain and simple. Plain and simple. Arpita Banerjee, I don't know if she is here. The extra 15 minutes, that's a good hook because you're kind of telling your prospect, the 15-minute numbers is important, all right? Then I had suggested a use word like something to which can connote the transformation, something like a diva, because our audience are like the females and the young girls, all right? So use a word like celebrity, diva, or maybe a storytelling, something like what all great things you can do in 15 minutes, all right? Then I'll come to Priyanka G. Priyanka G, if you are in the session, just give me a yes, or just you can unmute yourself and say yes. Priyanka G, if you're there in the session, to cure your mental, emotional, and physical trauma completely
Yes,
with.
that's all.
All right. So
Yeah,
cure your mental, emotional, and physical trauma completely with absolute simple technique just by giving 10 minutes. Now, the only thing that I had advised you is using a word like simple technique, you're making your offer simple. Why not use a
okay.
word or why not use a terminology which will kind of give your prospect an opportunity to hook with you? So that's why I've suggested you a word with something like brain frequency, maybe a neuro magic, something.
Yes, yes.
All right. So someone is an artist out here. Please don't draw on the screen. All right. Let me remove the drawing. I can say I have great minds and some great artists as well. So Priyanka, what is your like? What is your feedback? Did you got your wow moment when I suggested something like this to you?
Yeah. I was like day by day, it's getting improved. Everything, like every word is creating some kind of closer to audience. Yeah, I
Yes,
found it.
yes, yes, yes. Absolutely, absolutely. And thank you for doing your assignments. Thank you so much. So, Priyanka, all I would suggest is we will make it better and better. Guy, whoever is
Yeah,
doing,
yeah, yeah,
someone is
yeah.
doing some artwork. Please don't do that. Please don't do that. All right. So, thank you so much, Priyanka, for doing the assignment. And it's all about making it better and better every single day. All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
All right. So, Preeti Mehta, just let me know, Preeti, if you're there in the session. Protecting your family and providing for them.
Yes, I'm there.
All right. Thank you so much for attending it, Preeti. So protecting your family and providing for their needs has always been your priority. What if you are not there? Protect them now. Buy life insurance. Life is unpredictable. The time is act to now. Now the problem with this is, Preeti, how are you going to differentiate yourself with your competitors or anyone else in the market? Try and get this. So every other guy is going to talk something like this only. Are you getting my point?
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah, I'm getting it.
why not create a hook so that it's always a pull marketing and it's never a push marketing. Push is something when you push for sales. Pull is when they are drawn towards you.
Yeah,
And
I
that's
get
why,
that difference. Yeah.
yeah, thank you so much.
Suggest something better.
Yeah, so tomorrow I'll be giving you in the tomorrow's videos and session, I'm giving all of you a template. All right, that is in
Okay.
tomorrow's session. So just hang on. And I think I did
Okay.
suggest you something. I don't remember whether it was to you or
Yeah.
someone else.
No, you did something. You suggested a shorter this thing, 2 words something.
All
I
right. So
wrote it down at that point. Yeah.
what's your product, Preeti? It's an insurance, right?
Insurance. Yeah, insurance
I think I
products. Yeah.
suggested in someone's comment that, all right, guys, let us have an opinion. Let us have an opinion. Let me turn on the screen. Let us have an opinion on this. So option A, Preeti, it's all about making your offer better. So do you allow me I have the permission from you?
Yeah, of course,
All right.
definitely.
Thank you so
That's
much.
why we are here.
Thank you so much. So in one way, what you can do is you can talk about the insurance and a lot of other things. That's the one. That's option A. The other option is think of something like this. Even though I have no experience in this insurance sector, but that is something that will draw me. So just listen to this. How about you tell someone, your prospect, create a legacy. I mean, would you like to create a legacy to get 10 million thanks from your family? That's it.
Yeah, that's what you said on FB also. Yeah.
Yes. How many of you would go with option A or option B? Let's have an opinion poll. A or B? What's your opinion? Which one you think is a better hook? Just type in A or B. A or B. A or B. I want all of you to participate, guys. Come on. It's all about making your offer better. If you don't participate, you will not be able to squeeze your brain. So Preeti, can you see in the comment area? Most of the people are saying B, and I don't know most of them. I'm meeting them for the first time. So don't think they are like my community people or something. Most of them I am meeting for the first time. I don't even know them. So that's not the point that I'm trying to create a great hook for you. The point is to understand the science and art behind it. If you try to sell something, people will try to skip you if they don't know you personally. The real game is when you can hook the cold audience and not the hot audience. So there are three kind of audience. I want all of you to take a note. There are three kind of audience or prospects: cold, hot, and warm. So who are the hot audience? People who know you. Maybe you have been referred by someone, so they're already hot. They know you. They already want to buy from you. All right, they are hot. It's not a big task or maybe a great job to convert people who are already hot. Now, what is this warm people? Warm people or warm audience are those people who get to know about you, but they don't know you. Maybe through ads, maybe through graffiti, maybe through third person or something. And cold people are like those people who absolutely do not know you. Smita, yes, you can say that. Smita, absolutely, even that. Yes, Smita, thank you for pointing that. Thank you. So try and understand in this challenge. Thank you for saying that, Smita. In this challenge, we are trying to master how we can hook the cold audience. I'm not going to teach you how to hook the hot audience. You already know that. All right. So I'll be helping you to create hooks so that you can pull the cold audience and not the hot audience. In this challenge, we are going to cover the cold. Just type in cold if that point is clear to all of you. I want all of you to type in cold. Just type in cold, guys. And let us understand. Preeti, just let me know, and I want you to unmute yourself. Is this point making more sense to you that yes, instead of creating an offer which is like more about salesy, you can talk about the transformation that you can create. Preeti, go ahead.
Yeah, definitely. I think that's far much better and more creative, in fact.
Yeah, that's a proven
I'm
formula.
really liking it. I really want to work on it. This kind of catchy
Yes.
words or
Yes.
whatever you can call it.
So just be in this challenge for the 5 days and don't quit. You'll see some magic happening. All right. Thank you so much.
Yeah, sure. I'm not going to quit anyways.
Thank you. Thank you. Do not quit. Thank you. Let me review some other comments. All right. Vandana Vora. Vandana, you said choice is yours. Anil Ambani or Mukesh Ambani, numerologist. First query free. Hurry only for first 50 clients. Now let us play a small game. How many of you would like? I've already shared a lot of points and elements with you. Let us all suggest an offer for Vandana. Don't try to be salesy. Try to create a hook so that it can draw the cold audience. Let us see if you can really wire your brain now. I want all of you to create some offer. Vandana, if you're in the session, just let me know. You can unmute yourself. Just give me a yes if you're there.
Hi, how are you?
Yes, I'm good, Vandana. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah. So just wait. Just hang on. I want all of you to create an offer for Vandana. Anyways, in tomorrow's session, you will be getting a template using which you can create and better your offer. All right. I'll show you the glimpse as well. Offer for Vandana. She's a numerologist. Am I right, Vandana ji? Just let me know.
Yeah. Numerologist.
Yes, she's a numerologist. Yeah, Vandana ji, you can go ahead and talk about your profession.
And also a numerologist.
Yeah. So Vandana ji has created an offer. Choice is yours. Anil Ambani or Mukesh Ambani. Then ... numerologist ... first query free. Hurry only for first 50 clients. I also have a suggestion, but I'll share only after you people. I want all of you. Transform your life with a specialist guidance. All right. Use numbers, Preeti. Number attracts. Humans have very small attention. How many of you really know that humans have an attention span less than a goldfish? Less than a goldfish. Give me a yes or no if you know this, that humans have an attention span less than a goldfish. How many of you know this? And how many of you are like shocked to know this? If you're hearing it for the first time, just type in shock or shocking. Don't know. And why it is important? Because if you're trying to create an offer, if you don't put numbers into it, which you will actually do in tomorrow's assignment, you'll have to put in numbers. So if you put in some numbers, people will remember, because the average attention span of a human being today is like 6 seconds. and that too of a goldfish is 8 seconds. So humans are like inferior than even goldfish. Absolutely. Picture is better than words and video is better than pictures. What is your number chart? Absolutely. That's a good one, Ninaji. All right. Even I'll suggest one thing, like numbers can make or break your fortune in just 10 days following these 3 stupid ideas. How many of you really had that wow moment? And if you don't like it, you can say I didn't like it. Just type in say wow, or you can say I didn't like it. Just type in wow. Numbers can make or break your fortune in 10 days following these 3 stupid ideas. That's it. That's it. At times you need to keep your offer stupid simple. Give me a wow, or you can just say rubbish. Whatever comes to your mind. Whatever comes to your mind. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So it's all about practicing, guys. So even if you try to help others, so what I want from all of you is in the next 5 days, don't try to improve your offer. Don't try to better your own craft. Also try to help others. You'll improve your game when you help others. The only formula to grow in a very short span of time is help others, and in that way you will execute, and then you will grow. All right. Help, execute, and grow. That's it, plain and simple. So Vandana ji, I would like you to unmute yourself and let me know your opinion, the offer that I suggested you. Vandana ji, you can unmute yourself.
Yeah.
So did you like?
Which offer are you talking about?
So I just suggested an offer for you, like make or break your fortune in just 10 days with 3 stupid ideas.
Wow, great.
And look at this. The beauty of this offer is I'm not even talking about numerology. Someone asked in the group, I don't know who was that guy. If he's there in the session, just let me know, that they face problem when they try to sell it to someone and they think it's absolutely important for them to get their product or the service, but they're not realizing it. They're ignorant about it. That's how you win the game. Don't talk about your product or service. Don't talk about your product. And the problem with using a word like Ambani is, I'll suggest you, Vandana ji, when you use a word like Ambani, most of the common people will think it's not about us, it's about the Ambani. It's the Ambani story. I know I can never be an Ambani. So you will not correlate. You will not hit the chord with them. How many of you really agree to this? Just type in agree that if I use a word like Ambani or something in my offer, most of the people will not find any correlation into it. They'll see that like this offer is for someone who wants to become an Ambani, and I cannot become an Ambani anyways. So it's not for me. Plain and simple. Look at the offer I created. It's like a stupid offer, but it works. It works like magic. Nothing. Make or break your fortune in 10 days. Numbers is important. With 3 stupid ideas.
Excuse me.
Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead, Vandana. You have some query?
Yeah, what I am telling you, okay, don't you think so? People are more related to celebrities or hi-fi people than ordinary people?
The best way to get an answer for this is do the testing. How about you push your offers for a few days the way you want, and how about you push the other offers? Because this offer game is like for the whole life. All right. You have to test a lot of offers, see which is working in your case.
Okay.
I want all of you to type in test. It's important you test all the offers. It's nothing like if I am saying it, it's going to work like crazy for you. You have to improve it every single day, maybe every single week. You have to come up with an improved version. Do testing and see which is working. The day you get your winning formula, that's the day when you will crush all your competition. That's the day when you will crush all the competition. How many of you really had your aha moment? Just type in aha. Just type in aha. Aha. I want all of you to just type in aha. You had your aha moment. All right. So this is how we learn, when we try and understand the science behind it. The real rationale behind it. All right. I want all of you to participate. Let me view some more offers. How many of you are really getting late? Maybe you have a dinner. Maybe you have to sleep early. Or how many of you say you are committed to be in the session till I'm here? Just type in committed, or just type in I commit. Let me see. And people who have to like move out early or something, just type in early. Let me see. Let me just see. Thank you so much, Manohar, Sadhana, Vandana. Early. Someone said early. It's absolutely fine. You can. All right. So let me give you a glimpse of what's going to come up tomorrow. I'll review some more offers. So let me make you understand the game. So what are we going to do in the next 5 days? We're going to do something so that we can lead a chunk of people, crazy buyers from the cold audience, people who don't know about you, right? So the first part is creating your irresistible hook. All right. So you did something on your own today. In tomorrow's video, you're going to get some video tutorials from my side. And I'll also be sharing a template with all of you. All right. So we will be creating this today, your irresistible hook for the offer. Now, I want all of you to understand what is the purpose behind creating a hook. The purpose behind creating a hook is you will offer something for free, and in return, they will happily give their email ID and phone number. I just want all of you to type in hook if this point is clear. We'll try to create something instead of selling. We are not going to sell anything for the next 5 days. We will create a hook which we will offer for free, and the prospect, the cold audience will.
You know, I'm sorry to interrupt, but whenever you say this line, na, I immediately think about you. That's what you did actually. I'm so sorry. I don't mean to,
No,
say
it's
it in other way.
Is it Vandana ji?
No, this is Preeti Mehta.
Preeti, go ahead and share your experience. It's absolutely fine. We are like
Yeah,
a family.
because
Go ahead.
you know what? I was thinking about this thing since the time I gave you my email ID, phone numbers, and everything, and I was like, this is the best way to get the data.
Absolutely. Thank you for sharing. And that's what actually works, Preeti. That's what actually works. Thank you for sharing.
Yeah.
And there's no harm to share it. This is a forum where we all are like a family. So you don't have to take
Yeah.
permission. Even if it is
Yeah.
something negative or bad, always speak
No,
up.
I'm not saying that in a negative way, but it's a positive thing. But
No, thank you so much for sharing.
Yeah.
Yes. See, that's exactly what we are going to do in the next 5 days. That's exactly what we are going to do in the next 5 days. All right. So all of you just type in hook. So we will create something so that people would happily give their data to us. All right. We'll create that hook, and we will do this tomorrow. After creating that hook, we'll create a lead magnet. What is this lead magnet? What is that one thing that you can give it for free? All right. So I'll just let you know. I want all of you to keep your pen and paper ready and understand this. What can be your lead magnet? And I want you to choose either of the one thing. You can create a 1-page or a 2-page ebook. You can create a checklist. You can create a case study. Anything. You have like an experience of 5 years, 10 years into your business. How about you create a checklist like top 10 mistakes people do before buying an insurance? Plain and simple. Plain and simple. So Preeti, you're from an insurance industry, right? I
Yeah.
wanted to open up. So what
Yes.
if you offer someone who doesn't even know you, you say something, this is a checklist I have created out of my 10 years of experience or whatever is your experience.
Yeah.
And you say someone, even if he's cold to you and you're not selling anything, right? You
Yeah.
tell him top 10 mistakes people commit frequently before buying an insurance. Please don't make these mistakes. Will he be happily to take that ebook or the checklist from you?
Of course. Even I would like to go through any such information.
That is the science and that is the formula we are going to work in the next 5 days. Are you getting it? This is the formula that works when you try to get the lead or you try to get the data of the cold audience. Just guys type in wow if you got a wow moment right now. So Preeti, you agree to this? If you can create something like this, people will happily give you the data, right? And you're not
Yes.
selling anything.
Can you tell me, you said we can do a checklist, we can make a case study. One or more two things. You also said another two things, I guess.
Yeah,
What were that?
Yeah, so Preeti, the thing is we are going to do this like elaborately on day after tomorrow. So we have a
Okay,
video on
okay.
this. It is like a step-by-step process. It's not that you have
Alright,
to create a lead magnet today. I'm just
No,
trying to
I was just noting it down. That's why I asked.
Yeah.
Okay.
So as of now, you have to decide what can work for your business. That is one thing.
Okay.
So one is, and I don't want you to put in like hours and hours behind it, like creating an ebook or something. Don't do that. It can be
Yeah.
just 1-page thing wherein you just put in like 10 pointers, and that is something you can easily do because you're doing your business for quite a year now, right?
Yeah.
That is
Yeah.
something you can easily do. And the real magic is the hook that you create, the title.
Okay.
The real magic is the hook. So we will kind of create an ebook cover or something, the PDF cover or something, and you will tell to the whole world, this is what I have created. How many of you want this for free?
Yeah.
We are going to do this in the next 4 or 5 days. All right. So all you need to do is, I want all of you to type in whatever works for you. You can create an ebook wherein you share your experience, like most of the people, and it should be as effective so that if your cold prospect, he gets some value out of it, he will come back to you, sir, can we talk again about this? All right, Navneet, I'll come to you. Are you going to teach Facebook Messenger? No, Vandana, no. We are only going to cover the organic part. I have said this like on day one itself. The welcome, yesterday. Ebook, case study, 10 mistakes from last 10-year experience or anything. So it can be an ebook, Rishabh. It can be, I don't want you to write an ebook of 10, 20, 50, 100 page. It can be just a 1 page or a 2 page ebook, something which is loaded with value and a great hook. I'll help you to create that hook. I'll help you to create that ebook also. So don't worry about that. As of now, I just want you to fix in that and understand why are we doing it. So when you want to get the data from your cold prospect, you need to offer them something for free, which he would think is of a great value. And at the hindsight, you're not trying to sell anything. All right, thank you for sharing it, Sadhna. Others, just let me know what's that in your mind that can work in your business. And if you're not clear with it, I'll help you right now, because it is very, very important. Sadhna says it can be an ebook. I'll help you with the title and the content of it. Just type in, guys, what's going to work in your business. I want all of you to type. It can be an ebook. It can be a checklist. It can be a case study. It can be mistakes of your industry, or you can save your people. It can also be a catalog. Navneet, it can be a catalog in your case, wherein you offer a catalog. I'll tell you how. Ebook is good. Whatever, just share it, guys. Ashish says ebook. Vandana Vora, e-commerce. Vandana, you'll have to offer something for free. Try and understand the lead magnet concept. You're going to offer something to the cold audience for free, and in return, they will happily give you their email ID and the phone number and everything. Plan combination. Praveen, you're trying to sell something. Don't do that. Try to help. Try and understand. Try and understand the psychology behind it. Try and help. Agrim Duggar, blog. Okay, you have to convert your blog into maybe an ebook or a PDF that can easily be done in 2 minutes. You can offer that, because the idea is you're not offering anything without any reason. In return, you need their email ID and phone number. All right, that is the whole idea behind it. Catalog. All right, Navneet. Ebook and 1 page matter. Absolutely. Checklist. Absolutely, Praveen. Absolutely. Are you guys understanding the science and the psychology behind it? You're going to offer something for free, which is loaded with value, which will be a great hook, so that they feel guilty if they don't get it. And in return,
Just a second.
Just hold on. Just hold on.
Yeah.
We'll take the question answer. Don't worry.
Yeah.
So we'll give them something for free, which is of great value or something. And in return, they will happily submit their email and phone number to you. All right. All right, Preeti, go ahead.
Yeah. How can we get email and phone numbers through checklist? Like
help.
if we are providing them checklist.
I will help. Don't worry. That's what this challenge is all about. Step by step by step. All right. Is it fine, Preeti? Preeti, just let me know. I lost your voice.
Yes, I'm so sorry. Yeah, it's really great.
All I'm trying to tell all of you is have faith in the system. Stay committed to all the videos that I provide. Stay committed to all the processes, and we're gonna guide you step by step by step by step. You don't have to do anything on your own. All I am asking you is to commit yourself. And the pro tip that I can give you is complete all your assignments in the early morning. How many of you really understand that when you completed your task early in the morning, you could actually leverage the whole process? Give me a yes. People who procrastinate, they actually don't leverage from the process. They fail to leverage from the process because they do it in the 11th hour, then they miss out a hell lot of things because they have not put up their brain. They think I'll come to the session with Arun and I'll learn everything. It doesn't happen that way. It's like a teamwork. It's your business. You love your business. You have to put in your effort. You have to, move your butt. I cannot do it for you. I can just tell you the formula that works for you. You have to put all the effort. All right. So that's the game. You have to complete all your video tutorials and assignments early morning. That's the best way to take like the best from the challenge. I'm telling you. People who procrastinate, like I'll do it in the evening. Mere paas sara din pada, they end up doing nothing. If you can see, you already have the stats. Before you, we had like 50 plus people yesterday. Today we have, I think, 34, 35, if you exclude me and one of my team member. Tomorrow we might have 20. I don't mind. That's how the stat works. It's okay for me. But if you put in your effort, you will get the result. That's my promise to all of you. All right. So is there anyone who is not clear with the lead magnet? Just type in me. I'll ask you to unmute yourself and I'll try to clear your thoughts. And so far as this offer creation is concerned, tomorrow is the day when we will actually create the offer. I'll share the video. I'll share a template with you. All you need to do is follow the template. All right. Is there anyone who is not clear with the the lead magnet? What can be my lead magnet? Kusum, please review my offer. When I'll do that. Don't worry. Kusum, Let me know what's your business, Kusum. You can unmute yourself, Kusum. Kusum ji, you can unmute yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah, Kusum, go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah,
Sir.
Yeah, Kusum ji, how are you?
Namaste, sir.
Namaste. बताइए किस
I am fine, sir. And you?
I am fine. With your blessing, I am.
सर मैं हीलर हूँ, मैं हीलिंग करती हूँ, ट्रीटमेंट करती हूँ, लाइक एनर्जी वर्क.
All right. All right. So आप ये कर सकते हो कि like अभी ना आज के टाइम में the biggest fear of the people is people are living in stress.
Yeah.
You should always find what is your hungry market. हमेशा ना खाना वही बनाना चाहिए जिसका डिमांड है. Currently,
Yes.
whole world is scared. They're living in stress. Why not create a
Yes.
hook or a checklist of one page? Do these 5 things which can get rid of your stress in just 5 minutes.
Yes.
Means you don't sell anything. You create a ebook, maybe or one thing through which you try to help people de-stress in 5 minutes. Use numbers. Don't say ki you'll get rid of your stress. It's very generalistic offer. You have to show them that it can happen instantly in 5 minutes, 10 minutes. All right.
Yeah.
And if you can use something like without eating anything, without doing anything, just sitting at your home, I mean, just like 5 minutes, you can de-stress. Something like this will help you with this because
Yes. Yes. Yes.
तो आपका लीड मैग्नेट का कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो गया कुसुम जी?
Yes. Yes. हाँ sir. Thank you.
All right. So tomorrow we will create
Okay.
the perfect offer for your the lead magnet. Vinay, yes, I'll review your offer, Vinay. Vinay, also let me know what's your business points to calm yourself. Yeah, that's a suggestion for, I think, Kusumji Jinay Chauhan. Thank you for helping her. That's how you learn and that's how you grow. Help, learn, grow. Help, learn, grow. Thank you so much, Jinay. Points to calm yourself. I think you're talking about points something like this. Not sure about you're talking something like this. Jinay, if you can just open up, Jinay.
Hello,
Yeah, is it Jinay?
Vinay.
Vineet. All right. Vineet.
Vinay.
Vinay. Sorry with that. Go
Right.
ahead, Vinay.
Sir, actually, I do memory training, brain training, and counseling in different areas like relationship and past regression.
All right. So what
So
is your
now,
question? What is your question?
actually, I wanted you to review my offer.
I'll review
I
your
thought
offer, but Vinay, try and understand. Tomorrow you're getting a template, and you will be able to do like much better with your offer tomorrow. So tomorrow is the day. So don't panic. All right. So we
Sure.
have good 5-6 days, and Saturday is the graduation day. I want all of you to commit that you're gonna be the LMS till Saturday, and you will attend the session on Saturday at 7 o'clock. Just type in LMS. Rajiv Tandon, insurance is most difficult. Please see mine. I think I have already given a suggestion, Rajiv. Is it Rajiv? Guys, just type in LMS. Just hold on. Whoever it is, just hold on. I'll listen to you, brother. Don't worry. Guys, just type in LMS because only if you promise that you're gonna be here till Saturday, then only the real magic can happen. How many of you really feel that you are blessed to be a challenge something like this? Because no one does a challenge something like this. They will talk about learn Facebook ad. As a business owner, you don't need to learn Facebook ad. No, maybe just a part of it. You don't have to become a master into coding. No, as an entrepreneur, the word that I always use as an entrepreneur, you always need to put your effort to get skills so that you get money in the bank. And I call it money in the bank skills. Money in the bank skill. That's what I always say. All right. So who is this? Let me know who is this.
Hello.
Yeah, who is this?
Yeah, I'm Vinay again, sir.
Yeah, Vinay, go
Sorry.
ahead. It's okay, Vinay. Go ahead. Vinay, go ahead.
Sir, I told you that my service is people need my service, but they don't realize that. So how can I make them realize that?
I think I've already explained this, Vinay, and I've shared some example. Look at the example I created for numerology. I didn't even use
Right.
the word numerology. I didn't use. Problem with you is when people are like, they're not, the awareness level is very poor or something. And when you talk
Right.
about your product or service, you talk about numerology, they will not show any excitement. You have to trigger their emotion by saying something which will hook them. That's why the word is hook. And that's why think about this. Make or break your fortune in just 10 days, doing just 3 stupid things. I'm not even talking about numerology. This is when like, oh my God, I need to know what is this. You need to create an offer, something like this.
Right.
All right, is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Just type in wow if you got your wow moment. All right, so let me guys show you something else. I have a lot of fun left, and there's a bonus for all of you guys. There's a bonus. Let me review one or more offers. Guys, don't worry if I don't review your offer. We have one more day for the offer thing. And I would like to particularly talk about this guy. I think he's there. The SIP man. Is he there? Just let me know if you're there. Mr. Vaibhav Rane. If you're here, just let me know. Unmute yourself.
Yes, yes, I am there.
Yeah, thank you so much, Vaibhavji. Now, guys, have a close look into his offer. He has created a terminology. How to be a crorepati. That's like most of these SIP guys say. I'm telling you, most of the guys will say कि क्या आप करोड़पति बनना चाहते हैं. This is like a very generic statement, but he actually got my attention with this. Use our 3-bucket formula.
Yes.
How many of you really would be curious to know, like, what is this 3-bucket formula? Give me a big yes. Give me a big yes, guys. If you would be really curious. If you would be really curious to know what is this 3-bucket formula, just give me a yes. That is the trick. Thank you so much, Vaibhavji. Thank you so much, Vaibhavji, that you're already doing it. And I personally believe you're already doing great in your profession. I personally feel that.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being a part of this challenge. And I hope and I'm confident with the wisdom of my mentors, I'll be able to help you to make it better over the next
Great.
5-6 days.
Thank you, Varunji.
Thank you so much, Vaibhavji. So people who are looking for what is the right hook, if you can create a terminology or something like that, that's when you win the game. That's when you win the game. I want all of you to type in GBV. That means God bless Vaibhav. Just do this, guys. God bless Vaibhav. Just type in GBV. Do this, guys. Come on. I want all of you to do this. Let me show you something else. So tomorrow you guys are going to get a template. I'm showing you a glimpse of it. Let me show you a glimpse. So tomorrow you will get a template like this. And tomorrow in the video, you will understand what are the 4 M's of business. The 4 M's of business are like, the first M is market. All right. The second M is merchandise. What's your product or what's your solution? What's the service you're offering? The third M is like the message. The message is the most important thing, the offer part. And the fourth is the medium. Which platform are you using to generate sales, leads, and revenue? All right. So that is the 4M of business. We will be talking about this in tomorrow's assignment in the videos. Now, in the market section, you'll have to fill up this sheet. You'll get a template like this. All you need to do is the yellow part is something filled in as a reference, as an example. Remove the yellow part and put in what works in your business. Like, for example, who is your perfect audience? Answer this. Gender, age, type of business profession. I've already filled in the yellow part just to make it clear to you people so that you understand it like a breeze. All you need to do is fill in this. Then is the merchandise. So the question that you need to answer tomorrow is how well do you understand your market and how well do you understand your business? The third is the message. You'll get a template wherein I have shared 6 templates. Choose one of the template. Like I'll just share with you like how to lose weight in 2 weeks without being on a diet. Now you can use this as a hook and just change few words and use it in your own business. Now the other thing is how to gain confidence in 10 days even if you speak broken English. The third one is the 5 most costly mistakes. How many are you making right now? These are like some of the greatest hooks which would really work well and people would like be crazy if you use a title like this, like please give me this ebook. The fourth one is top 10 ways to grow your business online with secret strategies most millionaires will never tell you. Look at this, I'm creating a kind of a curiosity. Most millionaires will never tell you. Now, the fifth one is can you handle 500 compliments? Check my catalog which contains all our masterpieces in imitation jewelry. Think of someone who's into e-commerce. They can use a hook like this to create a great hook, an irresistible offer. Book all your order. If someone is into photography, you can think of your profession. If it is kind of, it matches with photography. Book all your order. You're telling to the people who are the restaurant owners. Book all your order sheet before 11 a.m. I'm using a number, specific outcome. Book all your order sheet before 11 a.m. with my street smart food photography. How many of you really having your wow moment? Just type in wow. You're going to get this template tomorrow. Just type in wow, guys. I want all of you to participate and say wow. Tomorrow, you're going to make your job easy. You'll be creating a great hook because the hook is important. If your hook is not awesome, people are not going to give their email ID and data. All right. So, and you'll also find this, some of the elements you need to put into when you create a hook using numbers. If you can see this, let me just put a color into it just to make you understand. I'm talking about this, the green part. You have to use numbers into it. You have to use power words. So by the way, the bonus today is you'll get a list of 300 plus bonus. I mean, power words today. Easy transformation. You need to tell them what is the transformation you can help with. Then there is FOMO, fear of missing out. All right, I've given some example, like you can put up a prefix, something like this, a step-by-step guide, checklist, case study. You can put this as a prefix in your hook, and then you can put a suffix. This is the FOMO. So it is important whenever you create an offer, and if you don't put a FOMO is nothing but fear of missing out. If you don't create this, even if people are like interested in your hook, they'll not take action. So you'll have to, it's very important, you have to create a FOMO. I want all of you to type in FOMO. Just type in FOMO. And I've given some examples of FOMO here. FOMO is nothing like you need to put a value to whatever you're offering for free, because you are putting the content based on your experience. All right. So some of the FOMO that I've put in the example is usually priced $9.99 free today, valued at $1,999 free for first 10 people. At the rate of $9.99, grab it for free. Free gift only for my friends. Free for first 100 people. Limited copy. Use coupon code special to get your free copy. Special link. Get your free edition today. These are the FOMOs you can create. All right. So this is the template you're going to get tomorrow morning. In fact, what I'll do is I'll share it in the group and the Facebook group by midnight. Is it a cool thing that I share it by midnight today itself so that you can go it with your own speed, but only if you commit that you will finish it in the morning itself. That's when you will get the maximum benefit out of it. If you try to procrastinate and do it in the daytime or the evening, you'll not get the maximum benefit. Just type in cool or icy. Just type in cool or icy. I'll share it by midnight. Maybe just after the session or something, I'll share it so that you can get into the session, get into the training whenever you want, as early as possible. All right. All right. So I will just share one small thing and you all have a bonus. So for the bonus, you have to do one thing. Just let me know how many of you are really, really committed that Arun, for the next 6 days, like till Saturday, we surrender to whatever you say. Whatever you say, I'm going to do it. Soch ke answer dena. And people who don't say, the word is, Preeti, I am committed to an, okay, we surrender. Let me see. Let me see. My mentor says talk is cheap. Taking action is priceless. Let me just test. People who don't answer, I'll remove you from the session, by the way. This session is not to lay back and ye Bhagwan ki katha nahi chal rahi, all right? It's all about taking action. If you really want to impact your life, you have to take action. People who are not willing to take action, they can leave my session right now. I'll be happy to complete the challenge with 10 people, but having great mindset. All right? I'm okay with it, because at the end of the day, if I cannot help you, why should I try to help you? Because you can only help yourself only when you take action. If you don't take action, how can I help you? All right? All right. So what I'll do is, I want all of you to type in test. I'll take a small test and I'll understand right away how many of you are really, really committed. And maybe you just said it for the sake of it. I really want to progress, surrender, test. Just type in test, guys. All right. All right. Abhi test ho jayega. My sessions are crazy, guys. It's not a boring session. Jahan pe main sirf dhyan dunga. Nothing like it. Because I know it's like a two-way process. Learn, implement, learn, implement. All right. So what I've done is I have opened the settings of the group. I'll do something crazy. I know I'm known to do some crazy stuff every day. So be prepared. And I'm telling you, every single thing is there to make you better and better. Remember, it's not about becoming the best. It's all about becoming better. All you need to do is, let me change the group settings. I've changed the group settings into all participants. I want all of you to turn on your video. Come on, guys. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. All right. So take a picture of the screen, all of you. I want all of you to turn on your video. People who are like shy, I'm telling you, you're not an action taker. You will miss out on getting results. Turn on your videos, guys. Who are you shy of? So two things that you need to tell your mind all the time. Who cares? Who cares? मन में आता है ना छोटा छोटा सवाल, अरे यार ये क्या सोचेगा, वो क्या सोचेगा. You need to tell your mind. You need to tame your mind. Who cares? Who cares? All right. I want all of you to turn on your video. Come on. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Let me take a screenshot. Vandana, I don't know why you are shy. All right, take a screenshot. This is for your memory, guys. All right. Now this is not the task. This is not the task. This was like the simplest of the simplest thing. All you need to do is take a phone in your hand. Take your phone. Show me your phone. Show me your phone. Come on, show me your phone. I want all of you to shoot a video right now. I want all of you to shoot a video right now and just say one thing. Hey, my name is this and I'm committed to complete the 6-day challenge with Arun. Shoot a video, post it in the WhatsApp group. Right now. Let me see. Let me see. People who don't do it are not eligible to complete the challenge. Keep yourself on mute. Keep yourself
I'm already on my phone. How can I shoot?
Ask for someone else's phone. There are so many people in your home. Keep your mind open. You will get all the answers. That's exactly what
Okay.
happens in your own life. As an entrepreneur, you're stuck with some problem. I don't know the solution. You need to keep your mind open. You'll find all the solutions. Go ahead. You'll find an answer. Don't ask me. You are an entrepreneur. You'll find all the answers on your own. That's the power of an entrepreneur. That's the power of an entrepreneur. You have to find solutions on your own. Don't think some guru or master can actually help you in everything. You have all the power inside. Go ahead, shoot a video. Say that my name is this and I'm committed to complete the challenge. Come back and type in done. Thank you so much for that word, Vinay. Thank you so much. I want all of you to come back and type in done. And let me check it in the group. Who all have done that? Just let me see. Who's that awesome guy? Vinay, you are the first. Thank you so much, Vinay. You're awesome. You have all the qualities to become a super business owner. Thank you so much, Vinay. You're an action taker. You're a learner, you're an action taker. Problem with most of the people are they are learner, but they're not action takers. They don't implement. And that's why the success ratio is like only 5 to 10% of the people in the digital industry succeed. They learn a lot of things, they don't execute, they don't implement. Blessed. Thank you so much, Vinay. Equally. Likewise, mutual. Next is Ashish. Thank you so much, Ashish. Thank you so much, Ridesh. Only 3 of you. I think 2 of you have already left the session, and I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. I'm absolutely happy with that. Look at this. I'm happy when people leave my session. I know I cannot help people who don't take action. So why waste each other's time? Let me be genuine with people who can take their thing to the next level. I cannot commit you that if you don't take action, you will see results coming up. All right. I can see Praveen. Thank you so much, Praveen. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Nina. Thank you so much, Manohar. Come back and type in done, guys. By the way, the real test is left, huh? One more crazy thing is left. One more crazy thing is left. Thank you, Preeti. I got your video. Thank you, Vaibhav. I got your video. Vaibhav is just a 3-second video. I don't know what all you have said in just 3 seconds. You might be super, super talented to cover everything in just 3 seconds. I don't know. I'll check out later. I'll check out. Rajiv, I just got your video. Thank you so much, Rajiv. I'm just waiting for all of you. Come on, guys. Move your butt. Come out of your comfort zone. Tell your shitty mind. Shut your mouth. Do what I say for the next 6 days. And I'm telling you, if you don't see things happening in your life, you can abuse me openly in my Zoom session. I'll allow you to speak. That's why I don't do webinars. I do a meeting wherein you are allowed to speak. The advantage with the webinars is I can choose who will speak and I can choose who will not speak. I allow you to speak because I'm so confident about the knowledge and the wisdom. I'm so I have so much of gratitude for my mentors. All right. The only criteria is you need to take action. Thank you, Arun. I got a video. So I have one more, Arun. My name is also Arun. Blessed to have you, sir. Navneet, I got your video. Anjali, I got your video. People who didn't attend the session who are like, they must be crazy. Kya ho raha hai? This is a lead generation challenge. How come people are sharing these videos? Now the crazy thing too. How many of you are ready for the crazy 2? Just type in crazy 2. And with that, we'll wind the session. Today, I will be giving you a bonus of like 390 powerful words. And you can like pick some of the words from there when it comes to creating your offers. Crazy 2. Navni, thank you. Rishabh, thank you. Nina, thank you. Manohar, thank you. Preeti, thank you. Rajiv, thank you. Sadhana, thank you. All right, go ahead. I know some of you would be like, "Sir, ye kya bol rahe? Nahi kar sakte." But you'll have to do it. Trust the system. Have faith in the process. Go and share it in your story. Facebook right now. Go ahead and do it. Let me see. Come back and type in Facebook. That yes, I have shared it in my story. Don't post it on your timeline. Put it on your story. If you don't know how to post it in your story, if you have some kids in your home, call them. They will help you. They will help you. They are smarter than you. Don't worry. Go and post it in your story, Facebook story. That's exactly what we are going to do in the next 5-6 days. If you are someone like nahi kar sakte, then please don't be a part of a challenge. Move out. Leave the group. Let us not waste each other's time. Go ahead, put it in your story. And if you have a feeling like this, log kya bolenge, you have to say only 2 things to your word. Who cares? Who cares? That's it. What to post? Anjali, the video that you have created, post it in your story. Facebook story, in your
The
story.
one commitment video.
Yes, yes, the video that you got made right now.
Can I do one thing?
Yeah.
Can I shoot a better version and post
No,
it?
no. I want the same video. That's your mind telling you. I'm telling you. That's your mind telling you. I'm telling you. Go ahead and post the same video. It's not about being perfect. Anjali, I think it's Anjali, right? That's one
No,
mistake.
this is Preeti.
This is Preeti. Sorry
Yeah.
for the name. That's the one mistake most of the entrepreneurs do commit, and they waste a lot of money and time into it. They try to be perfect in a lot of things. Try and understand no one is perfect. And your audience, your prospect will love you when you are imperfect and when you are honest and open about it. You're honest and open about your imperfection. All right. How many of you really agree to this? Just yes, people would love to see us the way we are. Just type in agree. Just type in agree. Just type in agree, guys. All right, Redmi, I don't know what's your name, brothers. If you can just share your name, I'll call you by your name. Vinay, Bhavin, Manohar, Pankaj. All right. Thank you so much, guys. So the bonus for today. Oh, Arun, thank you so much. Redmi, Arun. All right, I had my bulb on moment. Thank you so much, Arunji. All right, guys. So with this, we end the session today. You will get all the videos. Please watch all the videos early morning. Complete your assignment. Share your assignment as soon as possible so that we can start working on it. All right. If required, subah jaldi utho. Wake up 1 hour early. No problem. You need to put an effort into your business. Move your butt. All right. So do this. Do this. So the bonus that you're going to get is all of you, anyone who's left to share it on the Facebook. If you have not shared it, I'm telling you, don't do this. You're kind of doing a disrespect to whatever I'm trying to achieve with you. I'm telling you, you're doing a kind of a disrespect to whatever I'm trying to achieve with you people. Don't do that. I just hope all of you have posted in your story. And for the next 4-5 days, we will do a hell lot of crazy things. Be ready for it. Come prepared and ask you to turn on your videos again and again. So sit in the session accordingly, trying to post. And I believe you will do that, Navneet. Thank you so much, guys. So tomorrow you'll get the video. You'll get your assignments. Please do it in the morning as soon as possible. And I'll share the bonus with all of you. All you need to do is send me a hi. People who are there in the session till the end, the way I share bonuses, I share it personally. Send me a hi. Send me a hi right now. If you don't have my number, save my number. Let me, anyone who doesn't, not here, on my WhatsApp, not here. I'll share the bonus with you personally. Because I like to interact with people who are action takers. That's how I have lived my life and I'm living my life. Yeah, that's my number. Thank you for sharing it, Smita. If you can save my number for the next 4-5 days. If you want to get the bonuses, you'll have to save my number. All right, send me a WhatsApp hi, and please don't think I'll be sending it to you like immediately or something. Give me some time, I will send it to you. All right. Arunji, you don't have to share your number. You have to send a WhatsApp to my number. My number has been shared there by Smita. My number is 98305-15402. You have to send a hi to me on WhatsApp. All right. All right, guys. So let us wind the session with one powerful word. Give me just one powerful word, and my powerful word is boom. Just type that one powerful word before we wind up the session. So let me just type in boom. Just type in that one crazy word that gives you the kick. All right, boom, boom, boom. All right, gold. Absolutely, Ashish. Anything. Thank you so much, guys. So let us wind the session. Let us sleep tight. Take care of yourself. Please stay at home or whatever it is, whatever the protocol is in and around you. Take care of yourself. Take care of your family. Stay blessed. Take action and grow your business 10x, 20x, whatever it is. Thank you so much, guys. I had an amazing session. You all are a great mind. Blessed to have a session with all of you. I'm enjoying a lot. Thank you so much, guys. I take a bow to all of you. Thank you so much. Let us end the session on a great note. Take action. Get the result.